Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 120, logical reasoning, section A, easy. Let's start. In the given diagram, square represents woman, triangle represents sub-inspectors of police, and circle represents graduate. Which numbered area represents the graduate women who are sub-inspectors of police? Always write them in short forms, in alphabets, because these are always different, means W, G, S. So what we want is women, graduate women who are sub-inspectors, means common to S, G and W, that number is only 3. If I ask you graduates sub-inspectors who are not women, then it will be S and G common number, so that will be 5. If I ask you only graduates who are not sub-inspectors and not women, then that number will be 13. That way this is called as Venn diagram, and you have to check that. In a certain code language, Langor is written as RZMTLFL. Certain is written as NVIGZRC. How will be the alphabet word be written in the code language? Important part, first interchange first and the last letters of the given word. L is replaced over here, R over here. Now in between, except the first and the last letters of the word, replace each letter of the word by the same position letter from the right end of the English alphabet. It means from left, if you count, A is what first. So replace first from right, Z. Here Z is over here. From left, if you count, N is what number? N is 14th number from the left. So replace it with 14th number from the right. Total there are 26. So half is 13. So 14th will be M. That's why M replaced. Same logic everywhere, and then you will get the alphabet word as TOKSZYVA. In exam, don't go on solving each and every alphabet. Once you get a hint and check the go on checking the answers. Once you get the hint, you will definitely get it within one or two tries only. How many symbols are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant? To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.